Hello and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd just introduce you to our new dog. Those of you who follow me will know that I lost my dog before Christmas, and I've been looking for another rescue dog since, and this time we decided to go for a Husky, purely because I wanted a dog that could go on longer walks. I've had all sorts of dogs in the past, but I wanted something to do a lot longer walks with. Anyway, this is Rain. She's approximately 2 and a bit years old. She came from a proper Husky rescue centre. We had to go through house checks, garden checks, mental checks to see if we could cope with a high maintenance, I need lots of walking dog. We've had her a couple of weeks now, and she's been really good. She settled in ever so well. She knows lots of commands. She'll sit, high five, later. Where's she gone? Oh, she disappeared off to annoy the rabbit and do all sorts of stuff, which is really good. So I'm going to be adding her to the channel. I videoed a few bits. Rain! Oi! Come on! Come on! Oh, and there it goes. I videoed a few bits in the first 2 weeks of her being with us, and so I'll add them on after this. So hopefully you'll be seeing lots more of her as we go on some adventures together, or just out in the garden doing gardening and all sorts of stuff, because we're quite lucky we've got a big garden to exercise her in. Oh gosh, this is Storm Dennis just disappearing. Storm Kiara didn't cause too much damage for us, thankfully, and the horses are okay. They've been coming in early to get them out the wind, which I think Mizzy and Lizzie were a bit surprised yesterday. They had that look on their face apparently that said, did we go out? So I will catch up with you all again soon, and I hope you enjoy the few videos coming up next. As you can hear, our new acquisition, poor old Poppy, the rabbit, she's not really traumatised, the rabbit, is being spoken to by our new Husky. This is Rain. I've got it. Come on then. Come on then. Are you ready? What you got? What's that? I gotta get. I'm coming. I can have that. That's mine. It's mine. It's mine. 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 Get it. Can I have it? Can I have it? No. I got the ball. I got the ball. I got the ball.